style. Wow, this. What are they doing? Ayan, ito. This is new video, guys. Busy hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribe. Thank you. And like, subscribe, comment. Oh. And we hit every. It's not net. We almost hit 10. Kaso, no. Di pa tayo hit. Dami. This venue, you like video, you see it. It's so ugly. It look like an animal. See? Yan. This is Sky. His name is Sky. But he not subscribe. I give him this. Ganito ko sa ano. Sorry guys, bye-bye. Natatawa ko sa tulog ko. He start and like this one he's so ugly, look like an animal. 7 views. Next. And subscribe guys. I will hit 1,000. But it's long. Subscribe guys. I love you guys and go. I want even this and you want this box. I like and subscribe. I give you and comment. I want 1,000 guys.
Sa pagkano patis na kasya siya. Ate. Ya?
Guys. No post. VIP Roblox. My new avatar in Roblox. Put up here and I add training. Okay. Minute. Guys. Mama, pengen ako.
Ano naman yun? Arin. Hinigyan na kita hilo. Ano na naman?
Sundot kumangot.
Ang kulay.
Green. Bakit masarap yung green?
Bravo po.
Bye guys. This is the video.
Lalagay ko sa rep.
Isundok ka langat.
Hindi pa rep eh. Titigas.
Ano meron dito?
Tingin pagkakala ka.
Huwag na.
Uy, alam mo naman ako pa magpupo ka.
The Philippines and this thing that is here. See, this is and I will see that going Philippines and this. Yellow.
Ayun na tatanggalin mo. Ito, Arin. Oh.
Ano tanggal?
Napakain ako na aso. Pabili ka pa muna, tapos kumuha ka rin ito.
Tagal si Papa.
Traffic. Init ang kami sa pusa.
Oo nga. Init.
Hindi, sa loob yun. Hindi mo
Sa
marami
loob.
tayo kagat. May kasili. Tuloy.